In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pandadoc workflow approvals to enable seamless team collaboration. This process is straightforward and will vastly enhance your document management efficiency. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to the Pandadoc website. You can get started by typing Pandadoc into your web browser or by entering the URL directly. Once you're on the Pandadoc homepage, you'll immediately notice the features prominently displayed, emphasizing how you can create, approve, and e-sign documents up to 40% faster. It truly is a powerful tool for anyone handling a high volume of documents. Next, locate the Login button. You'll find it typically displayed at the top right corner of the page. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up to take full advantage of their features. With an account, you can access previous documents and track changes effectively. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Pandadoc home. This is your command center, where you can oversee all your ongoing projects. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first visit. The home page is designed to be intuitive, and navigating through it should be a breeze. Once comfortable, the next step is to open a document. Simply click on Documents from your dashboard to view a list of documents you're currently working on or have access to. Choose the document you wish to involve in the workflow approval process. This might be a new proposal or an ongoing project that requires your team's input. Once you have a document open, look for the Workflow option. This is crucial, as workflows are where the magic of collaborative approvals happens. Click on Workflow to proceed. Here, the Workflow feature allows you to set up a sequence of approvals, a powerful tool when working within teams to ensure everyone who needs to sign off does so. Finally, once you've configured your workflow, it's time to mark the document as approved. This is the last step in the process to signify that all relevant parties have reviewed and agreed on the document's contents. Click on the Approved button to finalize your workflow, and there you have it. You've successfully used Pandadoc workflow approvals to enhance your team's collaborative efforts. Remember, the streamlined design of Pandadoc aims to make document management not only efficient, but also effortless. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a pro at utilizing this software for all your document handling needs. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.